Hi guys, I welcome you back to Digital Assets. In today's video, we will not waste our time. So we want to check one app that is paying you money if you are doing some little tax on it. So without further ado, let us get down to business. At first, you go down to your I will provide the app link. So once you downloaded the app on Play Store, so this is once you click the link. So I've copied the link here. So once you click the link, it will redirect you to Play Store. So once you go to Play Store, you install it, then open. So once you open, so let me copy the referral link. I think this is my own referral link, my referral code, sorry. So now this is the original app, so I have cloned the app, but don't try to clone the app, because if you try to clone it and they detect, so they will disable your account. So I'm just using this for the sake of the tutorials. So let's assume you I open the app. Once you open the app, so click on agree, then you tick on this Google sign here. So make sure you have email on your phone. Make sure that you have Gmail on your phone. So as you can see, my own Gmail here, so I have Gmail on my phone already. So make sure that you have signed in on your phone before you open the app. So this is my own Gmail that I'm using here. So once you have clicked this, so once you click the Google account, so it will direct you to your phone. So I will close this now, because it will still detect my whole email account, because that's what I use. So now I will use the main app as an example. That's why it's just for registration. So once you finish registration, then you open the app. So the app will look like this. So let us assume you have finished registration. Let us assume you have finished registration now. So the next thing to do is just go to this, click on this share buttons here. Click on this share button in order for you to get the referral bonus, because if you don't do the referral bonus, so you will not get the $2. So this is the email code that I will give you. Then once you click on these share buttons, you will see the referral. Then click on use and claim, which they ask for half referral code. You just click on use and claim here, and you put the referral code. So this is someone's referral code that I put. So once you paste the referral link, so once you paste the referral code and click on continue, then they will help you to calculate the $2, and they tell you what next. So once you have successfully do that, so the next thing for you to do now is to make sure on how to earn. So we have like 4 ways to earn in this app. The first way is by checking the app daily. So let's assume you check in every day, so you'll be getting 0.10 daily. So I have already checking, so they will not give me if I check it again, because I've already checked in for today. So every day you'll be checking on this one. So once you click on it, so they will tell you what next. It's very simple to follow. Another way to earn money is by spin the wheel. So if you want to spin the wheel, you will have 0 available spins. So in order for you to get more spin, you have to be watching video. So if I click on this spin here, click on this one, so I will ask to watch.
If you can only make $10, please delete the fake apps.
So
if you can't withdraw in real money, please delete the fake apps. And let's walk.
You have to wait for it to finish advertisements, because if you cancel it, they will not reward you. So you have to wait.
Directly pay to your PayPal. The transaction is within 1 minute. You can win $300 a day. Just tap the button below and get your money right now.
So once the advertisement is done, you see this down below. The time is counting. So wait for the time to finish counting. Once the time finish counting, so there will be one close link here. So just click on the close button, then click again if it's pop up. Now you have watched video. As you can see, you get one spin, so you can now spin the wheel. So once you spin the wheel, so luckily you may get higher one, so depend on your luck. I got is 0.05, so that is another way to earn. So another cool way to earn is by scratching the lucky card. So in order for you to get scratch card, so you have to watch advertisement as well. So as usual, wait for it to finish the advertisement, because if you close it, you will not be rewarded. So wait for it to finish loading. So as you can see the timer here, wait for the timer to load up. So once it's finished counting up to 1, then the close button will pop up here. So once the close button pop up, then close it, and you have automatically watched the video. Now as you can see, I have one card here, so I cannot scratch this one and see what I get. Now I get 0.15. So that's 0.15. Now it has been added to my balance here. It has been added to my 7.81 balance here. Now that is 2 ways to earn money from those apps. Another cool ways to earn money without much advertisement is this last one, which is enter the captcha code. So they will be telling you to insert captcha code. So once you insert that code, then they will give you 0.1 per each captcha that you resolve. So if I click on enter the captcha code here, then I will be asked to input this number that was written here. So you have to input that number again without any mistake, then click on continue. So if you are a first time user here, they will display one advertisement. So as you can see, I've already earned 0.1. So you click on OK, then they will display advertisement, but the advertisement is once, so it's once. But if you leave the app and continue again, they will still display advertisement. But if you continue doing the tax after the advertisement, so you don't need to do what to watch another advert. So this is where I spent almost all of my time here. So as you can see, if I do another one now, so there will not be any advertisement. I earn another 0.1. So that is how you continue doing it. That's how you continue doing this one. Oh, sorry. .1. So that's how to do that without any advertisement. So if you continue doing it, let's assume if I do like 1 to 10. So let me do one more and check my balance again. Now if I get back, as you can see, my balance is not up to this before. Now it's now 8.21. So this is what I've already withdrawn this morning. So but I'm waiting for the balance to come up. So this is my withdrawal history. I already have paper gift card, so which is $25. Now if I hit on back button, and now if you want to withdraw your earning, let's assume you've already earned much, maybe like $25 upward. So this is how you can withdraw. You click on this wallet button here, so you will see many options. So the minimum withdrawal is $25. It can be PayPal, Amazon gift card, or Google Play Store, or Payco gift card. So anyone that is your choice. So for me, I choose $25 this morning. So and that is why you see my withdrawal history here, which is PayPal $25. So I've already showed the video. Now let me show you the video of how I withdraw the money this morning. So this is the video that I did this morning, and now I withdraw it. If I play it, so this is my balance this morning before I withdraw. Now this is when I'm trying to withdraw. So that is how I withdraw my own balance here. So you can continue to do that captcha code many times because there is no limit. So the reason why they put that is that many people have not known about the app. So once more people are coming in, so they will continue to do what? They will continue to deduct that captcha code stuff. So but for now you can do unlimited ones. You can do as you like. So you can do much as you like. There is no any limit there. So that is another cool way to earn money. That's another cool way to earn money. And that's it for now. So once this drop, so I will tell you on my channel. So that's why I told you guys, make sure that you join my Telegram channel, because there is not it is not every time I got time to do video all the time. So make sure that you join my Telegram channel and make sure that you subscribe to this channel as well. So and don't forget to share with others as well. So see you in the next one. Bye for now.